what areas are people making really, really good money and they're not that smart and they don't work that hard? Where is the highest concentration of dumb, rich people? And I'm going to go after those businesses. It's real estate. Number one, like real estate people, they build up a portfolio. They can build it large enough in a couple of years where they never have to work again. They walk around playing golf and doing whatever they want. Why in the world would I go compete with Stanford grads to change the world and raise capital and be in the most competitive environment ever? It's like I'm about to play a basketball game, and if I win the basketball game, I get $10 million. And I get to choose who I play against. Am I going to choose to play against LeBron James or my third grade cousin? Like, there's people out there who are brilliant operators, brilliant entrepreneurs. They say, oh, I want to change the world so bad that they're going to say, I want to play basketball against LeBron James. And yes, 999 times out of 1,000, I'm going to lose. Where there's a third grade cousin on the court over that nobody's watching that you can go dunk right on. It's a 6-foot goal. Like property and casualty insurance, loan officers don't work very hard. Recruiters, they're like, it's distribution. If you can get distribution figured out, you can make a boatload of money in the recruiting business. Property and casualty insurance, real estate, on and on and on and on down the list. There's just really good business models in existence. We don't need to will new business models into existence.
Before you go, we have a new sponsor of the show, recostseg.com. And if you bought a piece of real estate, you need to get a cost segregation study done. It's what allows you to get all that sweet, sweet bonus depreciation, and it's how real estate investors like me and many others pay almost nothing in taxes on an annual basis. You can cost seg a single-family rental, a short-term rental, or a large commercial property. recostseg.com is affordable and aggressive and super fast to turn them around. They've done 10 plus cost segs for me this year. They're going to do many more for me. Visit recostseg.com to learn more.